Hello guys, it's your boy the Kings on the Planet. Another massive update from this angle for you guys today. I just want to, may God let the money of those that do see best rest in peace. But for you not to have another money to rest in peace, I carry una come to this junction today. This is a very big, huge update for you because I know every one of us want to invest into cyberspace. You want to put your money into the world of finance. You want your money to work for you. But this kind of be a kind of very big thing that will help you, your life, and your family. But the only thing you feel need to do today is just make sure you share this video with your family and friends. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you share the video with your family and friends. Just because it's going to be a kind of very big update you need to save into your into your Vivo rights, guys. I'm going to show you how you can make sure you confirm every website, even if the website is a scammer website, before you go out and invest into any website, either cryptocurrency, either banks, either finance, anything institutions. You're going to know the age of the website, the risk, the probability, everything. If you're going to recover your money, what is saying about the website, who the owner of the website, everything is going to be revealed. I'm going to give you everything you need to know, inclusive the clues and how you're going to know that free website is a kind of scamming website. This is why I said, no play, guys. Just make sure that you watch this, share with your family and friends. You know, amount of billions of nairas that have been lost with CBS.
Guys,
In fact,
right now let's depth into it. If you the first thing you need to do immediately, you have any websites that you want to trade or you want to do anything, is to go to this particular website that I'm going to share with you. But just make sure you share this website with everybody that I said. Make sure you share so that people will not be falling into scam. The issue of CBS and other things that are happening, that's happening, so that people will not be vulnerable to scam again. So you just open your phone and go to scam. Just make sure you watch the way I'm going to use the website, and so I'm going to show you something that you need to know on the website. So scam advisor. So you're going to scamadvisor.com, then you click on SaaS. Click on OK. So the phone is, the website is very protected. So it's going to load Cloudflare and so. If you click like this and the site does not bring you the site, don't worry, it's kind of protection. That site is protected. Let's get back to our home. So just type scam advisor. Scam advisor and click on SaaS. So the first one that brought for you on Google like this one, so just click on it. So hope you can see the site. So if you want to view the site in desktop mode, you can just click right there. So you click on that three dots and you scroll up to see desktop site here. You can see, then mark that place, so that you'll be able to see everything that I want to tell you very well. So let's wait for the site to refresh. So it will reload. So hope you can see that the site has reload like this. So what you need to do is to just look at this angle, this very place. Let me zoom it for you. So any site that you want to test, let me just get a site for you to test. Even either phone number or crypto address, and you want to confirm that is it a scam or whatever, you can just input it. The site is going to tell you. Let me try that for you and see. Okay, let's use CBEX. Let's just use www.cbex I think that's their website. So let's you now click on check scam. So it's going to bring you this. It's going to bring you this. But it's very, very good for you to do this before you go and invest with any platform, any wherever. So if you can see, here we have rating score. We have rating score, which is let me zoom that for you to see. Hope you can see. We have rating score. The rating score is 86 over 100. That is the rating score of the site. So that is global rating of it. So if you personally want to rate the site, you can actually rate the site. So people that rate the site, 135% rate it bad. So one of this and Z on that on this through this platform they are talking about. So if you move down, so you are still going to see a lot. So okay, let me zoom this place for you to see. It's a positive insight. According to the SSL check, they have SSL, that means they have security certificate. If you are not a programmer, you may not understand what is right here, what is all this. So but programmers will understand this, and there are a lot of programmers that still fall into this scam because I think they are not informed, they don't have enough information with them. This is the negative aspect of the site that you need to know. The website owner is hiding his identity on whose is using a paid service. So, and again, this website does not have many visitors. We found several negative reviews on this website because they are making use of the application. So that is why their negative is not so that much, because people have reported a lot of, but many people does not even know that they can actually rate this site down based on what it has done to people. So the what I'm going, okay, let's say this aspect, very negative review, say very negative review, total review is 148, the average score is 1.2 star. So you can see, so people don't make their research, so that is why they fell into a lot of problem. Hope you can see. So if you want to deal with any either even cryptocurrency, make sure you do your research. So that is how you're going to scroll down and read. So okay, let me show you this part. This is another part of the site that is very, very interesting. Look at this place. This place we show you key facts. This place we show you key facts. Let's see. You can see this, the domain of the site. You can see domain page, that is 20 years from now. So I mean the domain page that they buy will expire in 20 years from now. So this site, I mean the company data, they are in Beijing, the country is China, and that is where they are. CN, I think, is that China? Is it not? I don't know. So that's that. So the next thing that they have is a website. This is their website, cbs.com. So redirecting website is cbs.com as well. So they wrote their language title in China. Everything you can see, I think they are Chinese people. So domain page, that is 20 years from now. SSL is valid for programmers, you understand that. So SSL type, SSL issuers, WSO, and some other things like that. So you can know the owners. If you click on the owners like this, so this is the owner's address and their email accounts, but they are hiding it. They are not. So that's one of the flag up. Any site that you see that the owners is not revealed, there is a flag up on it. Be careful to trade or to transact with them. So the next thing is administrator. If you click on administrator, you can see the same information we have in owner is what we have in administrator as well. They are hiding their information because they are scammers. So technical contacts, you can see who is technical contact and some other things. So what we have right here is what we have right here. So the thing you need to go and check. You need to check all this before you start sending your money to anybody, or you start giving out money to people like you want to earn. In the running or the course of earning, you may lose everything you have worked for. So this is their registrar. They only reveal their registrar, Alibaba Cloud Computing Beijing Co. So ANA ID, register website www.net.cn. So domain abuse the service Aliyun. So it's Alibaba, one of the Alibaba something that did their job. So and it might be a kind of individual claiming to, to register a website or a name in that Alibaba respect. So that also can only be verified through a lot of research. So they said that, is this website yours, that you want to claim it? So if you want to claim your website, then if it is yours or it is hijacked by some people, you can use that. That one is for the developers, not for you as a layman. So if you want to report a scam on a website, so you can still come down here and report a scam. So how to get your money back, you can read all this if you have been frauded online and you want to actually get out of it. So these are the things that is very, very important for you to know about this. The great thing you can do today is to share this video with others, because I won't lie to you, people are falling to scams every day, and this will save you, your family, and everybody. So this is not a matter of help me to share my content, but save life, save people, save people, save people. Please guys, love you all. Used to see you on the next content. Bye bye for now. This is your boy The Kings.